Hey everybody. Well, I started this morning, but when I looked to see how much of a charge I had on my phone, well, it had less than 50%. It's like, I can't do anything with that. Sounds like someone's practicing shooting up over the ridge. Anyways, don't mind me, I'm a little bit played out because, I don't know, I ate something wrong or something with it. I've been hurting most of the day. Okay, horses are looking. Okay. Yeah, so I've been hurting most of the day. I don't know. Ate something that didn't agree with me. Uh, so I'm a little slowed down, but in between watching some of the shindig footage that Two Family Homestead put out and trying to come out here and get something done and laying down and trying to get my stomach to settle. This is what I've been doing. I've been working on, need to get my shelter up, okay? And it has these tie downs, which are pretty important. Otherwise, the wind will just take this off. And it already took it off when we first tried to set it all up, and I'm hoping I can salvage it. It's not too badly damaged. So what I did is I shifted where I was going to put it. Let's see here. Okay, I got a bit of the sun glare. It's a beautiful day out here. Yeah, beautiful day, and I was laying on my bed. That just killed me. So back here, I have my outside shower set up, which I hope to fix that up, improve that later on. It's not a priority. It works, does the job. So, I was out here. I wanted to make sure that I had things squared up. And so I was going to put it back there, but with the shower there, it kind of like, it wasn't a good spot. Not to mention, I'm hoping that at some point we can add on at the back here. Okay? Now, of course, everything's a mess right now, but that's what happens when your wind takes your project off. So I figured, okay, well, I can't put it back there. Let's move it forward. So I've got it forward of the back of the cabin, and that way, if we ever manage to get be able to add on at the back, they'll be able to use this shelter, store building materials, what have you. Okay, so I wanted to make sure it was square. So I was out here with orange paint and squares and everything, trying to make sure I had this. It's fairly square, but since it's such hard ground, it's shale. At least over here by the hillside, I can't screw those tie downs down. So I've got to dig holes. So I kind of know where the tie downs have to go into the screws, and so I'm just going to dig holes deep enough. It's going to take a while. I don't know if I get all four done today or not because, how I'm feeling, but I'll see how much I get done. All right? Nothing like digging a hole into into a mountain, huh? Whew. Anybody got any dynamite? I haven't done this in a while. I'm gonna be sore. You see, I had to take a break earlier because I hadn't quite recovered and the sun was getting to me. I couldn't handle the bright sun on my head. So I had to take a break and wait till the sun was back that way a little ways. So that's why it's a little darker now. Okay, there's one. Sorry, Angel. Let's see what we can do. You see what I'm digging through here? Okay. It's rock, but it's very fragile rock, okay? It's shale. It's not the hardest stuff to dig through, but it's definitely not the easiest either. Well, I'm very quickly losing daylight. So I think that's it for tonight.